Good morning, Dallison. I found this back cracker on TikTok, and I'm going to crack some people's backs in the hallway. So, did you ever see the TikTok back cracking challenges?
Oh, yeah, I got it. No.
Nothing?
My back arch is crazy. Pause.
Wait, what?
Oh, that felt good.
Would you do you think it was a successful product?
That was.
Anything?
I didn't feel anything.
Okay, this does not work.
You look like Tobey Maguire. Do you have the back issues from Spider-Man 2?
Yeah, we'll roll with it.
What? Let's go down. Oh, I heard that. Oh, my back! I think that was the most successful back cracking we've had. You ever watched Spider-Man 2?
No.
You ever watched The Amazing Spider-Man 2?
No.
Come on! Have you watched any Spider-Man movie?
I think.
You're ridiculous!
Do you want your back cracked?
Okay.
Did you hear it? I heard that. Do you think it worked as a product?
Yeah.
So,
I say it did.
all right.
That was one of the best moments of my life.
I think I'm going to try now. Wish me luck. This might be the last episode of J and U. All right, let's go.